This is the most healthiest snack I have ever made. And when I gave it to my 6-year-old nephew, he actually loved it. What's up Baker fam? I'm Chef Aruna from Truffle Nation School. और आज मैं आपको सिखाने जा रही हूँ one of my favorite guilt-free snack, which is so good and healthy that you can even sell it to your health-conscious customers. So चलिए शुरू करते हैं. In this bowl we'll add all the dry ingredients. Oh, dry ingredients था ही नहीं, sorry. So चलिए शुरू करते हैं. In this bowl we'll add all the ingredients starting from instant oats, followed by chia seeds, chopped chocolates, roasted desiccated coconut, creamy peanut butter, and honey. We'll mix them properly. And we'll make round balls weighing 30 grams each. चश्मा भी है देखो, काला चश्मा नहीं है बस. Now we'll keep it in the fridge for 30 minutes so that it sets properly. And if you're liking this no-bake recipe, then I'm sure आपको हमारी walnut and chocolate fudge की रेसिपी भी ज़रूर पसंद आएगी, जिसकी लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन एरिया पे मिल जाएगी. So our no-bake oatmeal peanut butter balls are out of the fridge. I am now going to dip them in some melted chocolate. And then coat them with some chopped dry fruit mix. And with this, our healthiest peanut butter balls are ready to be served. I hope आपको हमारी ये रेसिपी ज़रूर पसंद आई. So do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated. And I'll be back with another new delicious recipe. Till then, keep baking.
Healthiest peanut butter balls पे थोड़ा वो डालना, दबाओ
डालूं. Healthiest peanut